took the top out the Maybach. I took the top out the Maybach. I took the top out the Maybach. Hey, I took the top.
Hey guys, welcome to Natural and Thick. I am Francesca and I'm here with another video. Today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I achieve heatless curls on my natural hair. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. My hair is still wet and it is sectioned off into 4 big sections. So in order to actually achieve your curls, what you're going to need is this right here. This is a latch. You'll need some type of Curlformers. These are not real Curlformers. I purchased these from Amazon. Yes, I know, I'm a cheapskate. I need to find ways to save money. These are the knockoff type that I purchased from Amazon, and I did purchase these for about $20. If you buy the Curlformers, if you buy a package inside of the store, you can get these from Sally's. They're $60. I have the actual Curlformer latch, and this is $2. So this is going to help us achieve heatless curls. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do before I even put anything, before I do anything to my hair, I'm going to put some products in my hair. The first thing I'm going to do is put leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm putting the oil in my hair, and then the moisturizer. All the products that I am going to be using today, I'm gonna have them linked down below. Alright, now that I have went ahead and applied my leave-in conditioner, my oil, my moisturizer, and things of that nature, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to achieve heatless curls. So, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with this section here. Alright, so once I have the hair that I want to use, you may want it to be a little bit smaller than this if you're just getting started. Actually, I'm going to make it smaller too. Alright, so just to start off, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use this piece next. I'm going to get a clip, pin that back, and then I'm going to pin the rest of this back. Alright, so I'm working with this piece right here. So the next thing you want to do, you're going to load the Curlformer onto the latch. I'm going to take the Curlformer, I'm going to slide this into the inside of the Curlformer. So it opens up like this. And now I'm going to take my hair, I'm going to kind of twist it so it's all in one little spot. I'm going to take the hook. I'm going to take the hook as close to my scalp as possible, and I'm going to put the hook around my hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and pull the hair through the Curlformer, and then it snaps like that. Try it one more time so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I'm putting the foam in my hair. I want it to be pretty foamy. So I'm going to kind of twist it, but before that, I'm going to go ahead and take the latch. I'm going to go ahead and put, so this particular Curlformer package that I have, it's orange and pink rollers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this orange one. I'm gonna slide it through the hook until the hook is revealed on the other side. Now I'm going to go ahead so I'm gonna take my hair as close to the root as possible. I am going to take my hair, make sure that my hair is inside of the hook. Now I'm going to I'm putting my hand at the top of the curl former, and then I'm going to take the other end of the curl former latch and I'm going to pull my hair through that curl former, and then this is going to snap into a curl. So my hair is inside of there. So I'm going to do this all the way around my head. Let me tell you, the first time that I did this, it hurt like heck because I did not know what I was doing. You need to make sure all of your hair is inside of this hook right here. See this hook? You need to make sure that all of your hair goes inside of the hook and none of it is out of the hook. So you want it to all slide through. Okay, so this is my more curly type of hair texture. You can see. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a curl former. I'm going to go ahead and slide it on. Alright, so I'm twisting my hair just a little bit just so I can get the hook on here smoothly without ripping out any of my own hair. So I'm going to go ahead. So it's on there. I'm going to try to slide it as close to my scalp as possible. And then I'm going to pull this through. And it automatically snapped into a curl. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do this right here. Putting the foam on. And so I'm hooking it on my hair. Now I'm going to push this up, grab onto the tip of the curl former, and then I'm going to pull it through with the stick. I don't know why I'm calling it a stick, it's the latch hook. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and jump off camera and I'm going to finish the rest of this side, and then I'll come back when I'm doing this side over here. But I'm going to finish all of this side and I'll jump back on in a moment. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like so far. This whole side is done. I got a little top piece to do up here, and then I got this whole back side that I still need to do. So, here we go. Running out of product. Once my curl formers are in my hair, I normally let them dry overnight. If you want to add a little bit of heat to it, you could do that, like by sitting underneath a hooded dryer for 30 minutes and then letting it air dry the rest of the way. I'm going to let them air dry, so in the morning or later on tonight, I will come back and I will show you what my heatless curls look like using these knockoff Curlformers. But again, I picked these up off of Amazon for $20. If you want to get the real thing, you can get them from Sally's Beauty Supply for $60. Alright guys, so it's been a full night. So I let my hair dry overnight, and now I'm going to show you how I remove these curl formers so that you can have heatless curls. The one thing that you're going to need is some type of oil. I'm going to be using avocado oil. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just put some avocado oil on my fingertips. I'm going to rub them in with that, and then I'm going to take the curl former. I'm going to squeeze it at the top, and as I squeeze, I'm going to pull down, and there's the curl. Same thing here. Separate these. Okay, you see my curls? Alright, so this is what my hair looks like before I style the curls, but just so you can see those curls. Alright guys, this is the look that I have for right now. As my hair finishes drying, then I will finish separating the rest of the curls. But so you can see, look, I have these nice bouncy curls, and I did not need to use any type of heat at all. And if this tutorial has helped you out, let me know, or hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know that you enjoyed this video. But until next time, remember to embrace your curls and love on your curves. Deuces.